Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can download JPG image to your gallery. See, when you search an image on the Chrome, say for example, I'll just search as nature images. Okay, here I'll just filter it to images here. Images. Now all the images get filtered here, and when you give a long press on this particular image, you'll find this download option. And here some pictures will be in the JPG format and some pictures will be in the GIF, some pictures will be in the PNG. How to get download only JPEG filled images to your gallery? This you can do with a filter. The same process will applies to the desktop site also. Say for example, if you are using Chrome on the PC or computer, you just need to follow the same procedure. See here in the options, you can find something like search tools here, just beside here, search tools. Okay, tap on the search tools here. Once you press on the search tools, this one, you'll get lot more options. And here under lot more options, you will find an option called advanced search. Here, advanced search, you need to tap on this advanced search. Yeah, here at the last option, the file type any format is the default. What we are doing this is we are just confining it to only JPG images. And now just press this button, advanced search. Now we are filtering all the images with the extension called JPEG only. So all these images were JPG images. So whichever you try to download will give you the JPEG format only. I feel this tutorial will be helpful to you. If you feel the same, that this tutorial is informative, please do hit a like. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.